Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. Today I am doing lip swatches of the Milani Color Fetish matte collection. I have 6 that I did or showed in an Ulta haul maybe a couple of videos back. As you can see, I haven't opened them, so you'll know that this will be my first impressions, first time trying them out. But before I get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what I think I'm going to do is just start from light to dark and go ahead and just open all of them at one time as well, because these things tend to be a struggle. Okay, now that they're all open, I'm going to swatch them on my hand so you can see. First one is going to be 420, which is Tease. This is what Tease looks like. And then next is going to be 430 Secret. This is what Secret looks like. Next up is 410 Pleasure. I should have did these in order by the numbers. I didn't even pay attention. So I know when I apply them, I'll do it in order. Sorry. Let me show you what Pleasure looks like. Then next I have 440, which is Passion. This is what Passion looks like. For them to be matte, they feel extra soft. Next is 450 Desire. Then the last one is 460, which is Sensual. So this is what the lip swatches look like on my wrist. These two are out of order. So yeah, 420, 430, and then 410. So 410 should be, you know, in front of 420. But again, these are what the swatches look like. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can get a closer look of these swatches. Okay, 410. It is a very light apricot type of nude. It'll definitely look very pretty with a lip liner. Next up is 420 Tease. This one is very light as well, and you'll definitely need a lip liner. It looks like my skin tone, so definitely rock this with a lip liner. I feel like it'll look a little bit more brighter on a darker complexion, but it definitely looks like my skin tone. Next up is 430 Secret. You also need to exfoliate your lips before wearing these, because me trying them on, my lips is getting a little dry. But this is what Secret looks like. Next up is 440 Passion. I like this color, but it looks like something that I can see my mom wearing, honestly. But it's pretty. It's real pretty. Next up is 450 Desire. You can definitely wear it by itself, or if you want to use a darker liner around here, you can. But this, I really like this color. Tell me what you think. Do you like this color, or do you like Passion, which is 440, the one I just tried on? Okay, last but not least is 460 Sensual. This is a rich dark chocolate. It even feels creamier than the other ones. So this is the last one, which is Sensual. So this was the last one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have any of these lipsticks? Let me know if you're going to purchase them. If you don't have them, definitely check out this line. This is the Color Fetish Matte Collection Nudes from Milani. So it's very affordable. You can get Milani at your local beauty supply, Walmart, Target, Ulta, local drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, if that's what you're close by. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.